Welcome to CONEXPO-CON Ag News, coming to you from the Convention Centre in Las Vegas. I'm Christine Keys. In today's show, breaking news from US Secretary of Transportation Ray LaHood.
Trimble construction technology. Work faster and achieve better results. Manage every task with greater control. Increase customer satisfaction. Win more projects. Easy as that.
US Secretary of Transportation Ray LaHood toured the show today and told CONEXPO-CON Ag News that the government would like to have the transportation bill signed by August.
We think that having a transportation bill is a jobs bill. It puts people to work, and puts people to work using equipment like this. It's not only the job, but then it's the ability for companies to buy equipment like this that help Caterpillar, that help the people that work at Caterpillar. There are so many spin-offs from Congress passing a transportation bill, not just for the jobs that are provided, but for the equipment that's purchased and the people that use the equipment. We want to get a transportation bill passed by Congress this year, a 6-year bill, so people really have the big, bold plan of what the president wants to get done, and Congress also.
All the manufacturers have been really waiting for this news. The Secretary said it'll be a 6-year bill, which is fantastic news for the construction industry in the US.
By the end of Thursday, 117,000 attendees had been through the doors at CONEXPO-CON Ag 2011, with a record 24% of those from outside the USA. Here's a wrap-up of highlights from the week.
I'm the president of AEM this year, so I'm kind of the chairman of the CONEXPO, and when we get all done, I think it'll be probably a little bit better than 2008. We're expecting about 125,000 for attendance, and from what I've seen so far in early arrivals, I think it's going to turn out to be a very, very good show for us.
Well, I've been here since Tuesday morning when the show started, and yes, I'm very pleased to see the whole booth as busy as it's been all the time.
The entire event is a huge event for us every 3 years, and you know, for us really it's a chance to get really close to our core customer base where everybody is in the one spot at the same time. And so we've been planning this event really at least for 12 months.
Here we meet our customers, not only from North America, they are coming from all over the world. Latin America, Europe, Australia, it's fantastic. The mood is perfect here, we like it. And from that point of view, of course we sell a lot, it's great.
CONEXPO is a huge opportunity for Lagong. This year we're making a major push to grow our presence in North America. So we're very pleased to be here. We think it's a great opportunity for us to show what Lagong is all about to the North American market.
What happens after the show is what counts. In the next 6 months or so, if indeed the market continues to move up, then you know that certainly the business is beginning to have a more solid foundation.
Well, I'm seeing a lot of happy faces, Christine, and I can't say that's the case in past shows. We've distributed 95,000 map books, so to me, ballpark, I'd say probably 130,000 attendees.
For IFP, this has been the biggest show ever. They've had a lot of conference sessions, and it's been a major event for them. It's been a very successful event. As the latest I've heard from the AEM is that they were looking to have over 120,000 visitors at the show. So split between CONEXPO-CON Ag and the IFP event, I think it's a very successful show indeed.
I think 3 years ago, this whole idea of sustainability was new. And it was really the first time all of us in the industry started talking about it to some degree.
The industry is very active. I mean, you know, there are tremendous green initiatives right now that, you know, some people would say are being forced on the industry. That's really not true. The industry is leading that as opposed to being forced on them. The machines we produce today are much more efficient, much more fuel efficient, and much more productive per gallon of fuel than they were 10 years ago.
This will be our first acquisition of a company outside our domestic market.
One of the projects we've got currently on hand is we are looking to move RoadTech into the European theater. We're looking at a facility in most likely Hamelin, Germany, and the intention is sometime in the next 90 days we expect to be part of a Aztec Europe facility. And that's the big switch in the customer today. It's not just about product and features of a tractor. It's, since they bid their business, how can you most effectively help me to be more competitive in what I do every day?
This industry's come a long way, and we'd kind of like the government to come along with us.
Deere has a major reveal where they have 3 machines on their stand right now that are covered with black cloth. Volvo has an unveiling at the same time. Just from what we've seen press release-wise, I think there's going to be major machines introduced every day of the show.
At Deere, we're so involved with our customers and our engineering manufacturing group. So all these products that we introduce was represented by the input we received from our customers, and it was an honor to have our customers live at the show to unveil these great new products.
Machines like the one to my right, the stabilizer reclaimer right here, that actually is designed to actually mill and rubblize material in place, leave it back and reuse it, and that's a perfect example of where we're not taking new resources out of the ground.
So the machine control system is really a connected machine control system. It connects to back to the site office, it connects back to the mothership, if you will, to the main company, and all that information is available almost in real time. We also provide information from the office back to the fields, back to the operators, so that they can keep working and there's no downtime.
3 years from now, I would say you'll see many of the components that we might have in our booth today all completely talking to each other in real time.
CONEXPO 3 years from now, sustainability, 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 and technology. Those 2 things, I think, will drive what we see 3 years from now.
Well, that's it for CONEXPO-CON Ag News for this year. We hope you've enjoyed the show. See you next time.
Trimble Construction Technology, the best solution for heavy and highway projects. Powerful and rugged. Proven to increase job site productivity. Technology that's simple to use. Easy as that.